So where are we with Bitcoin today? We've seen it jump all the way up and touch 90,000 two times at this present moment. We're creating a bit of a cluster that is bouncing up and down in this area. There is every chance that this could come down and test this 21-day EMA, or possibly have a deeper correction and fill this CME gap. I have a small reservation that that might not be the case, because it's only been what, 2 weeks since we've come up to this stage. So I think still kind of early for a pullback, but we'll see. I have a feeling this is going to consolidate a little bit and then shoot back up. We look at Bitcoin dominance. Bit of an issue that it's now gone up, and we need to make sure that this doesn't fully consolidate above this line here. If it finds that as support, altcoins could suffer a little bit. Let's see where this goes. Something that's a bit more worrying is the USDT dominance. I drew this area of support that runs throughout Bitcoin's history, and I arrange this area as an area of resistance that it might bounce off of, and it is actually bouncing off, but it could be that it is consolidating around here and then push back down. That consolidation here is pretty good news for altcoins, because that could mean that people are spending Bitcoin and putting it into altcoins, but we need to be sure. We need to make sure that it doesn't break this 4.58% line, because if it does that, a lot of crypto is going to start to suffer. We look at gold, and gold is doing exactly what I stated in the previous video. We've seen it bounce off the 21-day EMA, keeping that as resistance, and it's pushing down, ever down, which means that there is appetite in the market still for risk on assets. We look at the DXY, so the dollar, and it's just keeps on going up. I mean, I'm assuming that this is because the US government and the US markets are looking more of a safe haven, so people are now looking to buy into the dollar as the world climate is getting a bit iffy. But that should really start to come down. And the moment that really starts to come down is when altcoin, Bitcoin, and all risk on assets are going to go to a different planet. Two picks that I think could be really interesting at the moment. I think Render is a no-brainer. Nvidia is coming out with its earnings, and this should rally extremely hard today. And I really like where NEAR is at this present moment. It's holding this channel as support, it looks like. And as the 21-day EMA starts curling up and going into that zone, this should really go up quite aggressively. If you guys want to have more information, check out these, especially this one. There's some good things happening there. And here, people are really nice. Really love the community, and I would highly recommend you go have a chat and see how nice the people are there, and they're all, I would consider, my friends. Anyway, I'll catch you guys later. I'll see you tomorrow, and let's see where the CPI report is going to bring us today. Anyway, catch you guys later. Peace.